Hello everyone, this is Miraj Mahmud. Today I want to show you the installation process of Visual Studio Code, and I want to show you the step-by-step process of installation. So first of all, we want to go our Chrome browser and then search in the search engine Visual Studio Code download. Visual Studio Code download, and then we can get this link and click here. After that, we can see here the three types of software. So this is for Windows, this is for Linux, this is for Mac, Apple operating system, the iOS. So if we're using Windows operating system, then we can download this software, and right now I'm using Windows operating system. That's why I want to download this software, and click here. And if I click here, simply it can show me the download process. So if I start download, it will be starting my software download process. And after downloading this software, we install in our operating system. So we're waiting for download, completing download, then we install this software. So already done. So we just open, and that's it. We wait for a little bit time. So it show me this process. We accept the agreement, next, then next, install, and wait for a little bit. So almost done. So this is very easy process to download a Visual Studio Code. So really easy process to finish. So this is it. This is for today, and thank you so much. And we can see here the opening our Visual Studio Code. This is very lightweight software. If you share, and there is some extension, we can install some extension like live server. So live server means we can see our code in live. So there is another some usable extension for install. So you can install your preferable software, your compatible software, your effective software for your work. So that's it. Thank you so much.